see all obstacles in my way. It's gonna be bright and dancing bright, sunshiny day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's vlog because we are going to do a photo shoot for my online boutique, Juve Jolie. I'm super excited also because my model is from Grenada. I love my people and I'm super excited to work with a gorgeous Grenadian model. Today I'm going to show you guys how I set up and prepare for my shoot. I'll also show you how to self-shoot if you cannot afford a model. We are shooting from home. I didn't rent a studio. I have my backdrops here, as you can see. I've got my clothing rack. I've got all my new arrivals. This one is really pretty. I'm wearing one of them right now. And just stay tuned and enjoy. There you have it. So we have our backdrop up. I also have, so this backdrop, it's a gray color. The last photo shoot I did, which unfortunately I didn't record, it was really nice, a tropical feel. I had a pink backdrop and it was really beautiful to look at. But I noticed that when I went back to my pictures, like certain bright colored pictures didn't contrast well, like they just didn't mesh well together, and I felt like the focus would have been more on the backdrop than it was on everything else. So I wanted to do something a bit more gloomy so that my clothes can pop better. So this is why I chose a gray backdrop. It's a very light gray. It's from Savage Universal. I will put the link below, the size, the length, and everything with that. And my model's gonna be here soon. You're gonna see how we take the pictures, and then I'll show you the outcome of the pictures when they're cropped or edited and whatnot. This backdrop is obviously much shorter than my last backdrop, which was like literally double the size, but I realized I really don't need something that big. So what I'm gonna do now, I have to steam my clothes. I should have done it before I put the backdrop on, the backdrop up. So come steam with me. For steaming, we are going to need a steamer. I ordered mine, oh, ouch, from Amazon. We want to make sure it's clean. And I'm probably gonna like wet a paper towel and just wipe it down because we don't want any residue or lint or anything getting on our clothes. And you're gonna need a mug of water. You need the mug of water because the water in the steamer goes down really fast and you're going to need to refill it like every 5 minutes. You don't want to be walking back and forth to your kitchen or bathroom, so it's best to just keep one on hand. Maybe put a hand towel underneath it so no water leaks out of your mug accidentally. So you want to make sure that you don't burn your hands like I just did. And you also want to make sure that your hands are clean. You do not want to get makeup from your face or food or boogers on your clothes. So it's very important to make sure that you have clean hands when handling your merchandise, okay? Because this is your brand. This is what somebody sees when they open a package or the pictures that they look at. This is your brand, and you want to make sure that everything is as neat and as clean as possible. So we have a few things to steam. We're going to steam them all up.
Wow, this fabric is really nice.
Thank you.
I told you that it's nice.
Oh, thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Nisa.
You're welcome. No, yeah, so I think this is probably my favorite one.
It's your favorite one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that one is nice. And that one looks so good on you.
It does look really.
I'm not getting the bottom of your feet, huh? Oh, okay. Okay.
Done. All right, it's a wrap. We got the final shot. The final shot. Good job. Good job. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys. So it's been a couple days since the photo shoot, And before I post the vlog, I wanted to show you how you can do your photo shoot in an affordable manner by yourself, like without having anyone there to assist you. The ring light that I use, it's by Newer. I purchased it on Amazon. You can see right here. It came with this little remote control. This came with the ring light. However, you can buy it by itself, like on its own. You can just order like a Bluetooth remote to take pictures from your cell phone. So if you have like an iPhone or an Android phone, you do not need a professional camera to do your photo shoot. You can do it by yourself. You don't have to hire a model. You don't have to hire a photographer. This is all something like you literally hold it in your hand, connect your phone to the ring light, press the button, and it takes the picture. So I'm just gonna show you how I do it. And oh, I wanted to show you guys the plants that I use for the photo shoot. I posted them to my Instagram and I was getting so many DMs about, oh my gosh, how did you make your backdrop look like that? So these are synthetic plants. They're not real at all. I got these from IKEA. So I got this one. We got these right here. And we've got these. I did buy some, I think it was like, I got these also. Yeah, so these are from IKEA, and IKEA also had some plants, and I feel like they were a bit too expensive. So this I actually ordered from Amazon, and it looks super real. I don't know if it looks synthetic to you guys, but it does the job for the photos. For Juve Jolie, it's definitely like a more tropical theme that I'm going with. Obviously it's explanatory, self-explanatory, like I'm from the islands, so you know I gotta represent with my palm trees and my flowers and all those cool things, because those things just remind me of home, and I want every time someone goes to my website, they see things that are reminiscent of myself, my culture, and all the little things that makes Vondé. So this plant was definitely really cool and cute, and it added a really nice touch to the photos. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I take a picture of myself with my cell phone and a remote control. It's really not rocket science. It's really easy. The here, let me turn this down so you guys can see from the camera. The ring light, you see me? The ring light comes with this stand, and someone's calling. Hi, Mom. I'm recording a video. Can I call you right back? I know I'm recording. I'm doing a vlog.
Mom.
Okay. So the ring light comes with this handy dandy, so you can take this part off and attach your camera to it if you do have a professional camera. If you don't, you can use your phone. This can be turned in literally like any direction, you know, long ways. Obviously, if I'm vlogging for YouTube, it needs to be this way, but if I need to take a picture long ways, it can be like this also. So I'm just gonna put my phone inside. It's already connected to my cell phone because obviously I've used it in the past. And then I'm just gonna take the picture for you. And you know what? This is really cool. Like for Christmases, or if you have children or a birthday party or something, it's probably cheaper to literally buy all of this yourself and take your pictures than to go to the photo studio or to have like a professional photographer come and take your pictures for you. Like it's super affordable. So I am going to show you right now what we do, and I have to tighten it. Okay, let's turn it on. Turn the camera on. Obviously the camera has to be facing me, not my living room. And I will put like all the equipment that I've been using, from the backdrop stands to the backdrop paper itself. I will link everything down below for you, and you will let me know what you think about my setup. My shirt is not tucked in properly. I'm just gonna take it out. And yeah. And this is not a Juve Jolie outfit. It's just, I just threw it on to do this for you. It's not Juve Jolie at all, but I do like it. Oh, and I don't know if you guys saw the floor. My kids, especially the toddler, Zurike, turned it into a mural. So this is like dirt from when the model was here, from her heels. And then this is my little Picasso's drawings. So I'm gonna bring my ring light in a little closer. I think I'm gonna turn my camera like this. I'm gonna step into it a little bit. And I'm just gonna press this little button here that says Android, because I am a very big fan of Google Pixel. I'm not really into anything else other than Google Pixel, so yeah. Okay, let's see. Maybe I'll sit on a chair. I'm tired, it's dinner time, the kids are freaking out, so just do this real quick. And then I'll post the pictures and you'll let me know. Let's put it in portrait mode. And let's bring it a little closer. I'm too close to the backdrop.
You're gonna cut all of this out, right?
Huh?
You're gonna cut all this out, right?
Obviously. Phone keeps facing that direction. Let's bring the plant in a little bit to hide the chair. And click. Like, it's literally, I'm just pressing a button. Obviously, if you're doing this for your online store, you will not let them see this, so you can conceal it in your hand. No one needs to know that it's in there, and you just press, like. And there you have it. Very simple, very easy. I've got my professional shots on my cell phone. Nice backdrop. Everything looks nice and creative. I don't think, I should have probably brought the plants in a little bit or dropped them down lower, but I mean, I'm sure you guys have the idea of how you can do this at home on a budget. You do not have to have a ton of money or waste or a ton of money to have professional pictures done for your boutique. So until next time, peace out. A-town down. Do you do? Do you do? Hey.